Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, my name is Vijay and today I am going to show you how you can check how many words are available in Google Docs. So friend, keep watching and stay tuned with me because you will learn something new. So friend, first of all I am going to open my Google Docs. So friend, this is my Google browser and here I am going to search simply Google Docs. So friend, whenever you open Google Docs, you must log in with your Gmail account so you can access your Google Docs. So friend, this is my front page of Google Doc. Here simply click on this Google Docs button so you will get this page, and here already I have created this document into my Google Doc, and here I want to check how many words are available into this document. So what I will do, simply click on these tools, and friend, here you will see one option, word count, and here you can also use keyword shortcut, that is Ctrl+Shift+C, so that pop-up will come. So friend, here I am going to simply click on this word count. So friend, you will get this pop-up box of word count, and what information you will get from here, you can get how many pages are available and how many words are available, and also you can see characters, how many characters are available into this document, and here you can see characters excluding space. So friend, here also counting space, so without space you will get these characters. So friend, here you can see right now I have 2178 words are available into this document, and here also I am going to show you the shortcut. For example, Ctrl+Shift+C, whenever you press from your keyboard, then you will get this option. So friend, this is the tutorial I want to share with you guys how you can check word count into your Google Doc. So friend, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then click on this like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below so I will give you the answer. And friend, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel because I am uploading this type of tutorials every week. And friend, if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below so I will give you the answer. And if you like this video, please type yes into comment section so that will motivate to me make more videos like this. Friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video.